Okay, we down south, right? And as you can see, I'm totally snowed out. Can't go anywhere. My car is fully snowed on. Look at them. Just check it out, man. We're down south New Orleans. A lot of snow. Snowstorm part 2. There's a lot of snow out here, guys. Let's take a look. Tour through the snow. Oh, gotta watch it. Snow. You see this shit, guys? I'm totally snowed out. We're in the snowstorm. Let's go, guys. We're here. Lots of snow bunches. Look at this shit. I can make 1,000 snowmans. And you can't ban none of them. You can't ban a snowman. Welcome to New Orleans, Louisiana, the snowstorm, winter storm. Adventure, baby. Feet buried in the snow. Yeah, what's up, Mother Nature? We love you. Yeah.